YouTube channel. It's your girl Ella West. Oh my gosh, I'm finally doing this. I'm so sorry guys that I've been away for such a long time. Well, yeah, my hustle. I'm back to school, so the stress, everything. I've been trying to find out time to make videos for you guys, but I've just been so busy, so stressed, and I haven't had chance. But today I was like, okay, we're really going to do this, so I just had to. In my room in school, I'm so sorry that my room looks like a mess. Today's Sunday and I was supposed to be cleaning up. Yeah, it really does look like a mess, but I had some things I was working on. Yeah, the room is actually a mess, but yeah, currently my roommates are not around. Yeah, I'm just saying. So yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel. I love you so much guys. If you're new here, please subscribe. Hit the subscribe button for your girl. Turn on your notification bell so that you get a notification when I post a new video. Okay, what else? Yeah, that's basically it. So let's get right into today's video. Today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to do the TikTok slow-mo walk. It has been a trend that has been ongoing, and I know that so many people struggled with it or are still struggling with it the way I am and I was. So I was like, okay, fine. The best way to learn is to teach. So why not teach this and learn as well? So yeah, basically that's what I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to be teaching you the slow-mo walk. So yeah, we're gonna get right into the video. I'm so sorry that I look like this. I'm so sorry, please. I'm on EB, fine, Baba. I can't wait till I blow. Oh my god. Till I go till I have money and till I be ready to go. Oh my god. I'll be a fine girl. Okay guys, let's get right in the video. We're going to be learning the slow-mo walk. So it's going to be more like you can't really see me. So basically it looks something like this. You have to inculcate your hands and your legs. So let's start with the hands first. So it's going to be like this. Swing your hand like it's a pendulum. So you're going like this. Now in this case you're going to make it shorter strokes. Like instead of, it's more like, this is really hard for me because usually when I walk I'm not really someone that swings my hand safe, so it was really hard for me to learn. So that's how to inculcate your hands, like you're swinging. Let's say, which angle is this? Yeah, instead of, so you get it, it's basically your hands, your hand, 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 basically. I feel like some people do this while some they take one hand backward. But I feel like this is necessary, but when you inculcate your leg, it becomes easier for you to do the master's thing. So now let me show you how you're going to inculcate your legs. So inculcating your legs is not that hard. I'm so sorry guys, my feet look horrible. I just really needed you to see this. So inculcating your legs more, you're going to be on your tiptoes, like tiptoe, and then this leg goes front, comes. So it's going to be like, So now, inculcating your hand with this is basically 1, 2, 3. And what you want to slow is basically now. So okay, it's more like so that we can complete. So you get that now. So that's basically it. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's just basically slow motion. So now, yeah, that's basically it. So I'm going to be giving you guys the turn first before I go to God to like this. So it's more like this. Steady chasing on my bandit, man, looking for you. Like that's basically it. Like you're doing your slow mo. To actually get basically it. To actually get your slow mo, you have to actually do it. Like you can't just do. I feel like you're doing slow mo. Now, if I want to do that, I have to like. I don't know, like anything you want to do, just do the slow mo, and that's where you're going to get the slow mo. You actually have to go that's slow. Basically it. Now, there's also something called, I call it the turning while you do your slow mo. So it's more like 1, 2, 3, 4. You can turn to any angle you want to turn to. All you need to know is that you're using your toes, like your toes. You have to be on your toes. And when turning, you're turning with the toes, like that's where you're turning in. So that way, you're still doing your slow mo whilst being able to turn. Hey guys, okay? Now we need to be done. So this is basically what it looks like. The turning is boom, 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 boom. So that's basically what it is, guys. So I hope you've been able to learn something from this video, and that you'll be able to do your own TikTok slow mo walk. Okay, I just started, learning some stuff. It's actually pretty active and really stressful to learn the dogs and the walks. So yeah, I'm hoping that somebody is gonna learn something and is gonna do like a productive video. Yeah. Shit. Ooh. I feel it. Okay guys, thank you guys. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Like for your girl, subscribe to your girl. The one and only, I love it. Peace out. I love you guys. Okay, bye. Well. Okay, bye. Well. Okay, bye. Well. Okay, bye. Well.